how to create your own contact sheet with PhotoPad. To create a contact sheet in PhotoPad, go to the Tools tab and click the Contact Sheet button. Adjust the layout by setting the number of rows and columns. Click Add Images to select the photos you want to include. Adjust the page properties and other settings on the right section. Click Create to generate your contact sheet. Continue watching for more details on how to create a contact sheet with PhotoPad. A contact sheet is an excellent tool for organizing and previewing a selection of images. Once created, it can be easily modified as part of your PhotoPad project. To begin, go to the Tools tab and click on the Contact Sheet button. This will open the Contact Sheet Editor, where you can start customizing your contact sheet. In the Contact Sheet Editor, you'll find several sections to personalize your layout and image settings. The layout options let you control how your images are arranged. You can adjust the number of rows to suit your layout and set the number of columns to determine how many images fit in each row. Use the spacing slider to increase or decrease the space between images. If you'd like to display the file names of your images, check the Display File Names box to help with organization or identification. Next, customize page size and orientation. Use the Contact Sheet Size drop-down to choose the size of your contact sheet. The default unit is inches, but you can switch to centimeters or pixels from the unit's drop-down menu. For orientation, choose the Landscape button for a horizontal layout or the Portrait button for a vertical one. Now it's time to add your images. To do so, click on any empty box on the contact sheet or simply click the Add Images button. A file dialog will open, allowing you to select the images you want to include. If your layout can't accommodate all the images you've selected, only those that fit will appear. You can adjust the layout to fit more images if needed. Once an image is placed on the contact sheet, you can make further adjustments. To replace an image, select your image and click the Assign Image button to choose a new one. If you want to remove an image, click Remove Image or press the Delete key on your keyboard. To change the image position, click and drag the image to its new location. To rotate, select the image and use the Rotate button at the top of the image. When you're happy with your contact sheet, click Print to open the Print dialog and print the contact sheet. Click Create to generate a new PhotoPad project with your contact sheet, including all your selected images as a layer. If you need to make more changes, you can always reopen the Contact Sheet Editor by clicking the Edit Contact Sheet button. This will bring you back to the editor, where you can adjust the layout, add or remove images, or make other changes. For more PhotoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.